Morning everybody, it's Mike Moody with Moody's Way. We are back at home, which home today is Lake Clinch, out here in Polk County, Frostproof. But we are fixing to have a little lake day. We enjoyed the salt water for a little while there, but red tide caught up with us, so decided that probably be best to just go back home and enjoy some fresh water for a little bit. And the boat, we took scalloping and everything. She hasn't seen fresh water yet, so other than a hose. So want to get her all cleaned up, rinsed off. Put the boats, whenever they touch salt water, I like to put them in the fresh water and let the kids jump in and out of them, and it kind of just washes out every nook and cranny in the thing. So, but hope y'all are having a good weekend so far. It's Saturday morning here, so we're gonna get this day started. Right now it's pretty dead out here. Ain't nobody showed up yet, but there's boats pulling in as I'm talking to you. So normally this lake gets pretty packed, so I showed up here at like 7:30 this morning just to reserve our spot. But they got a pretty cool little setup here, man. They got a little grill. I mean, there's the road, so you could park right on the side of the road. They got trash cans and stuff, little covered areas, picnic tables. The lake's real high right now, but hey, good morning. We finally got the Boomba here.
Can I hold it? Can I hold it?
Nope.
Wait!
had to help her come over here, Mom.